Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again. Today what I have for you guys is Jack in the Box. I got some curly fries. And I believe it's the number 8. It's the Sriracha jalapeno sandwich. I can't remember. I'm sorry. I think it's number 8 on the menu, the Jack in the Box. And then some lemonade. So I hope you guys are doing well. Again, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, or just like. So we're gonna get into this. It's probably cold because I've been on the phone. So it doesn't look like the the picture. The picture just looked more meaty and more, it looked like it had more sauce, but that's the amount of sauce they gave me. So this is what it is. And I got like 2 jalapenos. 2 little jalapenos and 1 little thing of bacon. Man, that picture is misleading. I can get into this. I think if they added more sauce, it probably would have been better. It has potential, but I don't know. It just seems dry. Oh, you know what? I should have gotten their ranch. Oh, now that I think about it. Hold that thought. I'm so sorry. I have their ranch. I love their ranch so much. I saved a packet. That is so funny. I'm looking for a napkin. I don't see one. How about we do this? We do that. So I can use this napkin. Alright. Sorry, y'all. Should have had this together before I got on this video. But that's okay. Make sure it's still good. It's been in there for I don't know how long. Probably not that long, but just wanted to make sure. And I have their curly fries. I love their curly fries. And their ranch, y'all. If y'all haven't had Jack in the Box ranch, go to Jack in the Box. Order whatever you want and get their ranch. Now, I don't know if y'all have done this, but usually on them nights where you get drunk, leave the club, you either go to Whataburger or Jack in the Box. Or sometimes McDonald's too. But when you go to Jack in the Box, you always gotta get them tacos with ranch or fries. McDonald's, either the fries, McDouble, or McChicken, and then Whataburger. I just think you just get number one probably. The one by my house, I don't really care for, so it's really been a minute since I got them to really remember what you would get on those drunk nights. So it's pretty good. Like I said with this, I feel like it would be better with more sauce. And more jalapenos. Because they only gave me two. Two measly jalapenos. Ooh. Juicy, juicy. If you can't tell, the bread is toasted. It's not like the hamburger bread. It's just some bread and it's toasted. It was alright. And then the cheese, I think, is I want to say pepper jack, but yeah, pepper jack. Now I love spicy food. I love it. I don't know if I told you in my last video, but I love spicy food. Love it. So I was really excited about this, but you know what? I'm sounding ungrateful. I'm sorry. It's good. It doesn't taste how it looks. Because the way it looked, oh my God. I was like, oh yes, I want that. It got jalapenos, pepper jack cheese, sriracha sauce. I want that. That's okay. So, again, you guys, if you have any favorite, well, if you have anything that you like from Jack in the Box, put them in the comment section below. Please put in the comment section, because I'm the type of person who will try something, fall in love with it, and never get something else. It's one of those stick with what you know. Because I feel like if I want to try something else, it ain't gonna be good. Now I'm gonna be mad. I'm like, man, you know, I should just stuck with what I knew. Like, just stuck with number 1 or number 2, whatever. That's just how I am. But I'm going to trust you guys' judgment. So if there's anything from Jack in the Box that's really good, or something that is not on the menu, because you know sometimes they have like secret menus or whatever, let me know. Let me know, because I know with like In and Out, they have those secret things. I know I used to always get it was a regular patty or something, or double patty, animal style. Saying animal style, they'll add like extra cheese and extra sauce. It's like that, you know, that McDonald's Big Mac sauce. It was kind of like that with In and Out. And then with the fries, you'll say fries animal style, because their fries were really not good. Probably still to this day, In and Out fries are not good. They are not good. I don't know. Sorry. I don't know if they just... But you know, I've heard that. I've heard In and Out fries are not good. So, to me, I'm trying to think if it wasn't enough salt, or if it wasn't enough grease or something. It wasn't crunchy. It was just soggy fries. Like, I hate soggy fries. Like these fries right now, they're eatable because I'm hungry, but they're like cold. They've been sitting in the bag for a minute. But looks like I'm almost done. This is not gonna be a long video. I didn't really get much. Nothing left. We're gonna, because I don't want to waste it. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm so greedy. I ain't have to do all that. Well, I am done, honey. Well, hunty. I am done. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said earlier, that was a number 8. It's called Sriracha Jalapeno something. I'll put the correct name in the description. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Don't forget to put your favorite meal from Jack in the Box in the comment section below, please. So I can try something new. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.